Here we have question 7. It says to describe and correct the error. So this looks like you are finding the distance. Okay, so notice that the distance is going to be defined between any 2 points at its final point minus its initial point. Okay, so watch this. So if we go left to right, this is its final spot. So that looks like that is 4.5. Its initial point here is going to be 1 minus 1. So absolute value of 4.5 minus 1. This is absolute value of 3.5. That means this is going to be 3.5. So the error was the wrong formula, and the correct work is right here. All right, make sure you have the description of the error and the work that is correct.